Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, and I'm back with another Blender video. Today we'll be discussing interpolation. So with Blender open, we have our default 2D animation scene. Let's go off to the left. We're in draw mode. We're going to select our circle tool with our left mouse button. Let's draw a couple of eyes. There's one. We need to hit enter after we do that. Enter. Do another one. And we'll hit enter. Okay, so we have eyes here, and those are drawn on frame 1. Now if we go into edit mode, select our drop down menu, click edit mode, and right underneath edit mode we have a box select tool that's already selected for us. We're going to click with our left mouse button and select the eyes. We'll go under grease pencil, select copy, and we'll go up, let's see here, a few frames. We'll hit grease pencil, paste, and we'll go up a little further this time, grease pencil, paste. Okay, now we can enter draw mode. Draw mode. We'll go back to our first frame, select our draw tool. Now let's make this a sad face. Oh, he's sad. Now I'm going to show you how we can make him happy. So we're on frame 1. If we go all the way up to our second frame, we have our onion skinning showing us where our sad face is. And our eyes have stayed the same. We can draw smile. So now when we go between frame 1, we see sad. Our second frame, we see happy. So if we put our marker in between, we can select draw on the upper left, and we can choose interpolate sequence. What that does is fills in the frames in between, and the computer says, okay, this is how this should look. So there, kind of makes a little automatic animation for us. We can hit play. Boop, there. Now, what we want to do is select the last frame. Let's see, that turns like a yellow-orange. On our keyboard, we're going to hit Shift-D to duplicate. Okay, we're just going to move our mouse. Now, this keyframe has our smile on it. If we go down to the last keyframe, nothing there. We see our onion skinning kicking in. Now we're going to make a mad face. There. Mad mouth. Eyebrows. If we go back to our last frame, we can see the happy, and then we can see the mad. So if we go in between, select draw, interpolate sequence, we can see our happy face become a mad face. Let's go all the way back to the beginning. Hit play. There. Cool, huh? Okay, I need you to do the same, make some cool faces, and post them on Facebook. Bye, kids.